Let's create a transparent text box in Premiere Pro. First of all, click on File, New, and select Legacy Title. Now here select the rectangle tool, and now select a box, add a box here. Once the rectangle box added, in this field color section, click on this color box and select here your transparent box color and click on this opacity, and from here you can easily add opacity to your box. So I've added 50%. After that, select the text tool and now write here your text. Select your entire text by pressing Ctrl A. Then here you can change your text font size, and if you want to change your font family, just go ahead and select a different font family from here. And here we can see the font color box. You can go ahead and select a different color for your font. And in order to add opacity to your text, here you'll find opacity option. Click on that, and now from here you can easily increase or decrease your font opacity. Now close this window, and here just add your text. And as you can see, I've successfully added a transparent text box.